Hey guys, what's up? It's Jess and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say, hey, what's up? I film new videos every week and I'm super glad you're here. So it has been a hot minute since I've filmed this isn't really a sit down video, but I don't know, I just haven't been filming recently. So it feels kind of weird to be on camera again. So I'm actually filming a bunch of videos today, and what I wanted to do was film a little chit chat, get ready with me, because I'm about to get ready. I showered today, got all clean. I threw my robe back on because I didn't want to waste any of my outfits I'm wearing it. I don't know. Also, I feel like it's fun to put on your robe, do your makeup, do your hair. And by do my hair, I mean it's clean and blow dried straight. So it's as good as it's gonna get. I'm actually thinking of growing my hair out. And by thinking of growing my hair out, I mean I am, because at this point it's too long. Everyone's looking at me like your hair is so short. Everyone's like, your hair is so short. It's not. This is long for me. I want it to be longer because I want to start styling it like the fashion blogger I'm trying to be. But yeah, that's gonna happen, I don't know when. I'm about to do my makeup and I just thought we could catch up. I started storing my makeup and everyday stuff in these really cool little bins, and I actually got them from the dollar store. My mom found them and was like, hey, I know you're trying to get organized, and so I got a couple of these. So I store all my kind of go-to stuff in it. And so I'm going to be doing not my everyday makeup look, but this is my I'm filming look. Cool. So the first product I always use, it's been my tried and true, it's the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I really think it adds a good sheen to your skin. Is that the right word? I don't know, it just really does make your skin look matte, and I appreciate that. And I've just found that for a drugstore brand, it never lets me down. I'll just grab a little scrunchie. Scrunchies are so poppin' right now. Oh, you know what? I need a special hair tie. Anyways, I was saying, scrunchies are so poppin' right now, and I've been wearing scrunchies for the past 4 years. I do this thing, and y'all can tell me I'm crazy, but I am really good at predicting trends, and I always hop on board these trends way early. I can't do this many things at once, but we're gonna try. But then things like fanny packs, I was super into fanny packs a while ago, and fanny packs are so in right now, except they're in when you wear them diagonally across your body, which I find a little weird because that's not the intended purpose. But then I also see in some people it's oh, but it adds a little shape, a little dimension to the look, which that's fair. But I just do this thing where I can call trends, or mom jeans. I was so all over mom jeans early. And I think, if we're being honest, I think that being a fashion psychic might be my special skill. But now I'm trying to find the balance of I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what my style is now, and it's very confusing and I don't know where to shop. I do still very much enjoy thrift shopping. I just haven't been recently. I've been on a very big Marie Kondo kick in my life, cleaning everything out. I feel I'm at kind of a stalemate with that though. But no, this was the year going to college is really freaky in my opinion, because you go from living in the house your whole life, or maybe not everyone has, but I don't know, I feel a lot of the people I am friends with, we lived in houses our whole life, and then suddenly it's okay, here's half a room. And I think you really learn what you like to have around you, what you don't need, what you do need, and I don't know, I feel I learned so much from that, and I came back and I've just been going through so much of my stuff and getting rid of things I wouldn't have gotten rid of before. Not in a bad way, just I've learned to let go. But because I'm in this big cleaning kick, I don't want to buy stuff right now, which is weird. I am trying to kind of hold off until I'm about to, right about to move out. And so I was thinking of filming a haul, but it's not that big. I haven't been shopping as much as usual, which is a good thing. I think that is good. I don't know if I mentioned, but I use the Fit Me Matte Poreless I use the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm using the shade 112 because I'm pale. I don't look nearly as pale in person as I do on this camera because the light in here is washes me out, but that's okay. Y'all don't even have to believe me, but I'm not this pale. I'm blending into my robe. I love the Tarte Shape Tape, and I use the shade Fair, which is one of the lighter ones. But the other day I put it on my nose, and I don't know if I'm doing it right, but somehow this is not how you're supposed to apply makeup, BT dubs, but I put it on kind of interesting the other day, and I felt it made my nose look good. I don't know if that did that. we'll see. Me and makeup, I don't really know what I'm doing. I never really have. I just try my best. And then I recently started using, again, I use the MAC StudioFix foundation. It's like a foundation powder in the shade N4. I really like this because a lot of times what I'll do if I'm doing like an everyday makeup look, I will wear the primer I just showed you, a little bit of concealer and this, and I think that really makes you look put together, and so I really enjoy that. I don't know if you can tell, but like, this just makes my skin look like even. I'm about to do a light bronzer with the Benefit Hoda Bronzer. And so I'm gonna finish doing all the powders on my face like this, and then I'm gonna spritz my face in a second. I've started trying new things. When I went to the MAC store the other day, the girl taught me a trick. I don't know if it's right. If any of y'all know makeup better, you can tell me if I'm doing this right. Yeah, I kind of find it refreshing to wear makeup again because I realized, like, not that I like lost confidence in college, but I stopped wearing makeup and I got comfortable in like that. But then when I realized when I put on makeup, I'm like, dang, I look good. And I think like you should feel that way all the time. But I don't know, I definitely see like it's fun to kind of like get dolled up and tell yourself like you are it and like feel good about yourself, if that makes sense. I don't know if any of that makes sense. So I'm going to take the Badescu Rosewater spray and I'm going to kind of spritz my whole face and then dab it in with a brush. I don't know if this is the exact way you're supposed to do it, but the girl at the store like spritzed my face with some setting spray after she put the foundation on, and then she like basically kind of lightly dabbed it in. I don't know if that's a real thing, but that's the thing I'm going to do right now, and I kind of like it. But my skin right now, I don't know if y'all could tell when we started, my skin has been like on fleek, and I'm so happy. No one says on fleek anymore. We're trying our best here. But I got recently from Duval, they sent me their Radiant Skin Care System thingy, and I had it on my counter just because I used it recently. I guess I used it last night, but I left it out to dry. I'm obsessed with this. Something about the brush cleans my skin so well. I love being able to be confident in my skin and have it just like look good. I've been trying to like focus on some like more self-care. Oh, I keep not telling y'all. This is my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I use the shade medium brown. That fits my brows like really well, I feel like. Looks a little dark here, but that's okay. And now I'm about to use whatever's left of my high beam. I think high beam is like the prettiest highlight, and I just kind of apply this above my bronzer, and then yeah, look at that shine. Can you see the highlight? I will blend it in so it looks better. So now what's left is mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I really like this for a drugstore one, so I highly recommend. I learned about this one from Danny Austin. She's one of my fave bloggers. And then for my lips, I am about to put on the Toofaced Melted Matte in the shade Cool Girl. I love this one. I think it's a very pretty matte. Yeah, I haven't been filming recently because I've kind of been going through a difficult time, and I just feel like it's hard when you stop filming to like start again. At least for me, it always has been. Like, I don't know, I guess I just recently haven't wanted to be on camera because I've been sad and I've had stuff going on in life. I feel like I'm having a lot of personal growth this year. I think I was mentioning I'm like doing a lot of self-care recently, like taking care of my skin. I've started flossing. Sounds basic, but like, I don't know, the little things really do make all the difference. I've been taking my multivitamins. Oh, I've been journaling and like reading my Bible and like trying to take care of myself. And because I'm like slowly starting to do these things, I feel like, I don't know, not like I'm getting back to myself, but like, I don't know, I'm just feeling better. And I do realize like, I think I did kind of stop taking care of myself. Next thing on my list is I'm going to have to start going to bed before 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. because, I don't know, I used to be able to like, when I was in high school, sometimes I'd go to bed like 11:30 or 12. I'd wake up at like 6 or 7 in the morning. And now waking up at 9 in the morning, I'm like, whew, this is exhausting. And I said I was gonna set my alarm gradually, but I don't even know. I keep knocking stuff over. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I am about to travel, and I think the traveling will like, you know when you go somewhere and you're like excited to be up in the morning? I feel like because I'm going to be like visiting family who I'm really excited to see, I think I'm gonna like, I don't know, I don't see waking up in the morning being a problem. We're going to see my aunt this weekend, and I'm super excited because I haven't gotten to see her in a few years because she lives like quite a few hours away. But yeah, now I'm just applying this lipstick, and I'm not good at applying lipstick. Oh no. I also need to whiten my teeth. There's a lot we gotta do. It's okay, ladies, we're getting there. I think when I get closer to starting school, maybe like when I move in 2 weeks before class starts because I'm an RA at my dorm, so I have to like set things up and train. But my thought is like when I'm not working shifts or training, there'll be a little bit of downtime, I think. And I think it'd be so fun to film like a how I get ready for school, like you know how it is, how you gotta like get your nails done, maybe do a face mask, do your hair, like all that goes into like your first day / week of school. There's like a lot of work, and so I feel like that would be such a fun get ready with me to do. Like I think my face is done. Okay, I have like my hair is pretty straight right now, except sometimes it like curls a certain weird way. I think this is good. This is what I look like when I put makeup on. Whoa. I feel so much more confident with makeup on now, and that's probably bad, but also like I don't know, when you get all fancy, you should feel good. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed. This was like totally random and fun. This is just what it is. If you enjoyed, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you want like more random chatty videos like this. I'm about to film like a bunch of back to school stuff that I'm so excited for, and I think y'all are really gonna like it. Let me know if you have any like back to school requests or any other requested videos to see. If you enjoyed this, also please be sure to leave a thumbs up. That means a lot to me. And if you want to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. If you're interested, you should follow my Instagram because I love Instagram. It's a fun time. I like to put stuff on my stories there. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!